Hello, hello. Welcome back to the English Audiobook Library. My name is Malika, and I'm so excited to be here with you today for episode 4. Can you believe it? We've already learned 600 essential English sentences together. Today, we're continuing our journey by learning sentences 601 through 700. That's 100 more sentences covering business English, medical conversations, legal terms, arts and creativity, science and technology, social media, deeper emotions, and useful idioms. These sentences will help you communicate in professional and everyday situations. So let's get started right away. Let's begin with business and work conversations. Sentence 601. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. State business schedule. Sentence 602. Can we schedule a conference call? Request business communication. Sentence 603. I need to finish this report. Talk about work task. Sentence 604. What's the deadline for this project? Ask about time frame. Sentence 605. I'm working on a proposal. Describe current work. Sentence 606. Let's discuss this in the meeting. Defer conversation. Sentence 607. I'll send you the documents. Promise to deliver materials. Sentence 608. Can you review this, please? Request feedback. Sentence 609. I need your approval. Request authorization. Sentence 610. The presentation went well. Report success. Now let's learn medical and health conversations. Sentence 611. I need to see a doctor. Express medical need. Sentence 612. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. State medical plan. Sentence 613. Where does it hurt? Ask about pain location. Sentence 614. I've been feeling sick for 3 days. Describe illness duration. Sentence 615. Do you have any allergies? Ask about medical conditions. Sentence 616. I'm allergic to penicillin. State allergy. Sentence 617. Take this medicine twice a day. Give medical instruction. Sentence 618. You need to rest. Provide health advice. Sentence 619. I need a prescription. Request medication authorization. Sentence 620. When should I come back? Ask about follow-up. Let's practice talking about the law and rules. Sentence 621. That's against the law. State illegality. Sentence 622. You have the right to remain silent. State legal right. Sentence 623. I need a lawyer. Request legal help. Sentence 624. What are my rights? Ask about legal protections. Sentence 625. Is this legal? Question legality. Sentence 626. You must follow the rules. State requirement. Sentence 627. I didn't break any laws. Assert innocence. Sentence 628. Can I see your ID? Request identification. Sentence 629. I have a permit for this. Show authorization. Sentence 630. That's a violation. Point out infraction. Now let's talk about arts and creativity. Sentence 631. I love painting. Express artistic interest. Sentence 632. Do you play any instruments? Ask about musical ability. Sentence 633. I'm learning to play piano. Share learning process. Sentence 634. That's a beautiful piece of art. Compliment artwork. Sentence 635. Who's your favorite artist? Ask about preferences. Sentence 636. I enjoy going to museums. Share cultural interest. Sentence 637. The concert was amazing. Praise performance. Sentence 638. I like to draw in my free time. Share hobby. Sentence 639. That song is stuck in my head. Describe catchy music. Sentence 640. You're very talented. Complementability. Let's learn about science and discovery. Sentence 641. That's scientifically proven. State fact. Sentence 642. How does that work? Ask for explanation. Sentence 643. I'm curious about space. Express scientific interest. Sentence 644. That's fascinating. Show intrigue. Sentence 645. Can you explain this concept? Request clarification. Sentence 646. According to research, cite sources. Sentence 647. The experiment was successful. Report results. Sentence 648. I love learning new things. Express curiosity. Sentence 649. Science is amazing. Express appreciation. Sentence 650. That makes scientific sense. Acknowledge logic. Now let's talk about social media and technology. Sentence 651. Do you have social media? Ask about online presence. Sentence 652. What's your username? Request account information. Sentence 653. Can I follow you? Request connection. Sentence 654. I'll tag you in the post. Promise to mention. Sentence 655. Did you see my story? Ask about content. Sentence 656. That post went viral. Describe popularity. Sentence 657. I need to update my profile. Express maintenance need. Sentence 658. How many followers do you have? Ask about metrics. Sentence 659. I'm taking a break from social media. Announce digital detox. Sentence 660. Can you send me that link? Request URL. Let's practice expressing deeper emotions. Sentence 661. I feel overwhelmed. Express stress. Sentence 662. I'm so grateful for everything. Express deep gratitude. Sentence 663. You mean the world to me. Express importance. Sentence 664. I'm feeling anxious. Share anxiety. Sentence 665. I'm so proud of what you've accomplished. Express pride. Sentence 666. I feel inspired. Share motivation. Sentence 667. This is heartbreaking. Express sadness. Sentence 668. I'm feeling hopeful. Share optimism. Sentence 669. I'm disappointed in myself. Express self-criticism. Sentence 670. You make me feel special. Express appreciation. Now let's learn useful idioms and expressions. Sentence 671. Break a leg. Wish good luck. Sentence 672. It's raining cats and dogs. Describe heavy rain. Sentence 673. That's a piece of cake. Say something is easy. Sentence 674. I'm feeling under the weather. Express mild illness. Sentence 675. Let's call it a day. Suggest ending work. Sentence 676. The ball is in your court. State it's their decision. Sentence 677. Don't cry over spilled milk. Advise not to worry about past. Sentence 678. Better late than never. Encourage despite lateness. Sentence 679. It costs an arm and a leg. Say something is expensive. Sentence 680. Hit the nail on the head. Say someone is exactly right. Let's talk about restaurants and dining out. Sentence 681. I'd like to make a reservation. Request table booking. Sentence 682. For how many people? Ask about party size. Sentence 683. Table for 4, please. State dining party size. Sentence 684. Do you have any specials today? Ask about menu highlights. Sentence 685. I'll start with the soup. Order appetizer. Sentence 686. How would you like that cooked? Ask about preparation. Sentence 687. Medium rare, please. State cooking preference. Sentence 688. Can I have extra sauce? Request addition. Sentence 689. This is delicious. Compliment food. Sentence 690. Can we get separate checks? Request split bill. Finally, let's end with talking about books and reading. Sentence 691. What are you reading? Ask about current book. Sentence 692. I just finished a great book. Share reading accomplishment. Sentence 693. Have you read this author? Ask about familiarity. Sentence 694. I can't put this book down. Express engagement. Sentence 695. What's it about? Ask for summary. Sentence 696. Would you recommend it? Ask for opinion. Sentence 697. It's a bestseller. Describe popularity. Sentence 698. I love mystery novels. Share genre preference. Sentence 699. The ending was surprising. Describe plot element. Sentence 700. I need to visit the library. Express intention. Wonderful! We've just completed 100 more sentences. That's 700 sentences total now. You're doing absolutely fantastic. From business conversations to medical appointments, from legal matters to artistic expressions, from science to social media, you now have so many more tools to communicate confidently in English. Remember, these sentences are meant to be used every single day. Practice them out loud. Use them in real conversations. Write them in your notebook. The more you practice, the more natural they'll become. In our next episode, we'll continue with sentences 701 through 800. We'll explore even more exciting topics like pets, banking, hobbies, driving, neighborhoods, and so much more. Thank you so much for joining me, Malika, today on the English Audiobook Library. You're making incredible progress, and I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every sentence you learn brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, keep speaking English and believe in yourself.